Puro mga pagkain lang ang bukas. Puro mga pagkain lang ang bukas. Yung ano ko, yung landlady ko, kababayad ko lang. First day Charlie's holiday, Peter. Mostly all establishment closed. Just only food store open, like McDo open. But some of them are closed. Hi, Miguel. Shout out, Miguel. Miguel, all people in your life. Ayoko, lamig-lamig. Gusto ko tayo. Ayo. Diba? Ayo. Ako, ayoko. Ito. Vanilla, Mia. Miguel, you know, all people in your life is so very liberated. Why you tolerate showing the body? Needed shower. Oh, I think you're feeling hot. Miguel, my God. You know, we will receiving a punish from YouTube, you know. Mostly like that, you make mute. It's okay talking topic, but about body and showing and then like that. It's okay, it's your life, it's your channel. Look at that, almost night, so many people, see? It's a Chinese New Year because he has no control and is happy for people to go to this wide area. Yeah, my God. You know, Peter, when I'm staying, just because I want to support Miguel, my God, all people are drunk. And then the lady, you want to see the body of the guy and then asking, remove the clothes, and then you want to see the chest and then the body, and then we're talking, you know. My God. Usually it's not allowed to, you know, a dirty talk, right, Peter? It's a dirty talk. Wait, I will show you this.